Spectrum On Demand, now integrated with Xumo, gives you instant access to a huge library of movies and shows. There are multiple ways to access Spectrum On Demand. Let's start with the easiest way. First, via your Spectrum cable box, turn on your Spectrum receiver, press the On Demand button on your remote. Then, use the arrow keys to browse categories such as movies, TV shows, or kids. If you want to search for a specific title, use the search icon. Select a title and then play or rent if needed. A quick tip: enable Watch List to bookmark your favorite shows and movies for later. You can also access Spectrum On Demand via the Spectrum TV app. Download the app on your iOS or Android device or your smart TV and log in. Tap the menu icon and select On Demand. Browse by genre or use voice search for a faster way to find what you are looking for. A quick tip: swipe left or right for recommendations and long press for details. The last method to access on-demand content is via the Xumo app. You can also find free content here and search for Spectrum On Demand to cross-link. Create a profile on Xumo for personalized recommendations. Remember to use these methods to access Spectrum On Demand for on-the-go watching.